the next victim. What we got here? Engine removal. Ecotech. It's like a Aveo. I'm gonna say it's an Aveo or a Cruise. LT Sonic. Love, dude. Yep. Dang. Yep, this is the next victim, as I say. Okay, finally got the dang stand to hold up. This little mounts don't look too hard. Let's see, we got a mount there for the transmission. You see the K-frame mounts a little differently. Got a mount right there. Alright, there's the fuel line. Shouldn't be too hard. I hate that damn broken glass. Let's get to work. See, I'm gonna get a short piece of chain and go from one of these to over there and one here to up here somewhere. Because I don't trust these mounts, but I'm about to raise it up and take everything from underneath. And then I'll be taking the spindles, all the rack and pinion, all that good stuff. But that's just the beginning.